In one key industry, home, contents and car insurance premiums are surging, with increases not seen in more than 2 decades.
Apartment owner Kate Marnie recently received a shocking bill, a massive increase in her strata fees. What caused it? An unpleasant surprise.
I went back to the body corporate asking what the increase was from, and they said there was a 58% increase in our insurance providers' premiums.
Her building's insurance rising despite nothing changing.
We haven't moved the building into a different area. It's not going to be affected by other things like flood or anything like that.
Claims Hero helps consumers manage difficult or time-consuming insurance claims.
One of the things that we're concerned about is that people will see an increase in premium and start to reduce the cover.
Overall, inflation is down, but insurance remains one of the largest contributors.
Insurances are now the silent assassin in household budgets. Insurance prices are up over 16% on average in the past year. That's the biggest increase in 23 years of quarterly inflation data.
Insurers point to the lingering effects of natural disasters, bushfires and floods. The cost of repairing and rebuilding homes has also increased because material prices have surged, not helped by supply chain disruptions and labour shortages. For car insurance, it's the skyrocketing prices of parts caused largely by disruptions to imports from Europe by ship.
What we're seeing is a perfect storm in terms of all costs going up.
And that means many are underinsured.
A home insured these days for $600,000 may in fact cost around $900,000 to replace.
But there's another reason insuring in New South Wales is more expensive.
In New South Wales, up to 30% of your premium is tax. It's one of the biggest imposts on an insurance premium anywhere in Australia.
With that in mind, the state government has flagged removing the emergency services and fire levy currently applied to household insurance policies, with public consultations expected next month to help determine how to fund those services while driving down premiums. Shopping around for insurance is much more difficult than for other services, prompting calls for more transparency around cover and costs.
Why, for example, aren't we able to compare every insurance policy on the market on a single comparison website in Australia, like we can with mortgages, energy plans and utilities?
Eddie Meyer, 9 News.